Hi everyone, we live and have been working in the real estate sales market in Tenerife for about 20 years, but we were born and raised in Uzbekistan and want to offer tourists and residents of the island of Tenerife, enjoy with us the most delicious dish in the East, Uzbek Pilaf. Uzbek Plov is a real culinary revelation of the Middle East, ready to delight you with its amazing taste. A unique dish, the recipe of which has been passed down among the indigenous people of Uzbekistan for several centuries from generation to generation, will surprise you with a riot of tastes and smells and will radically change your idea of ideal pilaf. In this eastern country, they are sure that there is no better way to show your hospitality and decorate the festive table than to prepare and serve amazing pilaf to your dear guests. If you want to enjoy exquisite taste and feel the atmosphere of the fairy tale 1001 Nights, then it's time to try Uzbek Pilaf. While in Tenerife, we spent a long time looking for the necessary ingredients and equipment to prepare real pilaf. We buy only the highest quality products from trusted stores and familiar market sellers: golden rice, fresh meat, selected vegetables and, of course, special spices that are brought to us from Uzbekistan allow our specialists to prepare different types of real Uzbek pilaf, in compliance with authentic technology and according to special traditional recipes of Uzbekistan. We have put together a special kit for mobile preparation of pilaf, selected the most picturesque areas for preparation in the mountain forests of Tenerife, and invite you. Watch the whole cooking process and taste this delicious dish with us in nature. You can also order the preparation of pilaf at your villa. We will bring a complete set for catering, and we will prepare pilaf before your eyes. And in order for the impressions received to last a lifetime, we will shoot and edit a video in the format of 360 augmented virtual reality. Send us a request and together we will choose a variety of Uzbek pilaf, a variety of meat and various traditional Uzbek salads.